Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share easy tips and tricks to help you use Rainbet better and enjoy your betting experience. Let's go! First, join challenges in the casino section. Rainbet often has fun challenges with rewards. You can play a game a certain way to get extra prizes. Just check the challenges section to see what's available, like win bonuses on slots or original games. Pick your slot smartly. Look at the game's return to player and how often it pays. High RTP games usually give more smaller wins, low RTP games may pay big but rarely. Set limits to control your speed. You can set daily, weekly, or monthly deposit or loss limit in the responsible gambling area. You can also pause or exclude your account if you need a break. Next, use demo mode to practice. Try slot games for free before betting real money. This helps you learn the game without risk. Fifth, join races and raffles. Rainbet runs weekly and monthly races as well as raffles to give extra bonuses to players with real bets. Keep an eye on the promotions tab. 6. Use live chat if you need help. Support is available 24/7 through the live chat button. Use it if you have questions or need help. So, here are your key tips. Try challenges for extra rewards. Pick slot games with good reply value. Set limits to manage your money smartly. Use demo mode to learn first. Join races and raffles to boost your play. Always ask support if you need help. These tricks help you use Rainbet more safely and intelligently. If these tips helped you, please like and subscribe and let me know in your own Rainbet tricks in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.